My dear students, if you want to be fastest in India and complete NEET exam within 45 minutes, especially physics, then you are at the right place. Today I will teach you such an amazing short trick that you will feel wonderful that how easy physics is. You can just see here the lengthy methods given in the books. So you can just bypass this method which are given in the books by taking vectors, by taking unit vector like I bar, J bar, and what is this nuisance and nonsense. Let us do this problem with just a little bit of common sense. So how are you going to do this problem? Okay, he is telling that rain is falling vertically downwards. So rain is falling vertically downwards like this when you are at rest. But when you are in motion, the rain comes little bit cross like this. That is velocity of rain with respect to man. When man is in motion, you feel that rain is coming exactly on your face, a little bit cross. That velocity of rain with respect to man we have to find out now. So what you have to do for that? A simple thing you have to do is, let us take here now. This is the velocity of rain which is acting vertically downwards. This is velocity of man which is going like this. Now you have to stop the man. You have to stop the man. Means you have to stop the man in terms of vectors. What you have to do to stop the man? You draw an opposite vector and make it negative. So what you are going to do? You have to draw one opposite vector like this and make man come to rest. Okay, so you make it as minus Vm. That's it. Then after that what you have to do is you will complete this in the form of a parallelogram. So you are going to complete this in the form of a parallelogram by just drawing one line like this. Okay, you draw one line like this, you draw another line like this, and after that you have to draw one resultant which is going to be in this direction. Okay, this is going to be your resultant. Then let us see what you are going to get now. So this is going to be your resultant. This resultant is going to be velocity of man with respect to rain. So this is velocity of man with respect to rain. Okay, so how are you going to find out? So this is velocity of man, and velocity of man is how much it is? Velocity of man is 8. Okay, so this is 8, means this is also 8. Opposite sides are equal. And velocity of rain is how much? Velocity of rain is given as 6. Okay, so 6 and 8, if it is given, definitely the other side, that is the hypotenuse, will be 10, because this is a Pythagoras theorem. 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. If you add, it becomes 100. Okay, so 100 square root becomes 10. So the other side is going to be 10. Okay, so 6, 8 and 10 are the pairs, are the sides of a right angle triangle. So without solving, you can tell the problem that answer is going to be how much? 10. Where this fellow has solved this problem by taking all nuisance and nonsense. Okay, let us solve the problem with common sense. Just 6 and 8 are the adjacent sides and opposite sides of a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is going to be 10. That's it. It's a simple mathematical calculation which can be done in your brain without using this pen and paper.